Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? So today we're going to start a new topic that is called education system. But first of all, I want you to join Padlet. Yes, we have played Padlet before and you know how to join, yes? Now let's see. In this Padlet, you can see there are two questions. How will each technology change how students learn? So we're going to speak about future schools and the use of technology and how technology changes learning, yes. So first of all, look at these two questions. Now we're going to watch a video about technologies used at school. Then you're going to answer to these two questions. Okay, so let's watch the video, and after that let's answer to the questions. Okay.
For the headsets when it just transports you like a different world. I really like the arts and how it lets us discover different places that we probably ain't discovered before.
Pupils at one primary school in Warwickshire are swimming with sharks, visiting the Egyptian pyramids, and seeing Vincent van Gogh's famous paintings, all without...
Students, we have finished watching. Now you will be given 2 minutes to answer to these questions, okay? More than two, about 5 minutes, okay? Now, dear students, you have answered to these two questions, so I'm very glad that you have understood, and thank you so much. Now, let's go on with our lesson objectives. So, we're going to continue. Today, we're going to explore how technology, especially virtual reality, can change the way we learn. We also practice using different future tenses like present continuous, will, and be going to. So, and sorry, please. So then we're going to talk about future educational system. By the end of the lesson, we're going to have some clear view on how technology could shape your learning experiences. Okay, so learn our new grammar. That is future forms. Present continuous and the present simple will be going to, yes? So previously we have learned about present continuous tense. So present continuous can be used like when we speak about the present moment. But if we say about, for example, I am meeting my friend tomorrow. Yes, I'm meeting my friend tomorrow, or we can use the words like next week. Yes. Look, so first of all, let's read this. You're going to read Praiko's email to Ethan, his friend in Finland, and you have to answer to the questions, okay? So now you're going to read this text for 2 minutes, then you're going to answer to the questions. Now we're going to do the task 3, choose the correct alternative. So please, you will have 3 minutes to do this task. You only need to choose the right answer, okay? You don't need to copy the sentences. Just we have learned future tenses. Now we're going to go to the next task. Our next task is to have listening. Yes, you can see the picture of the new technologies and of AI. Yes, what you can see in these pictures. So future. So in future, so schools, yes, like how do you think? Let's imagine that after what will happen in 50 years? Yes. So what changes will happen to schools in 50 years? So what changes we will have? So and what kind of technologies we will have at schools in 50 years? Yes. So please. And the impact of these technologies on the learning process, can you speak about that? Now, these students, let's divide into groups. So let's divide. So Arujan, Asim, yeah, Asil, so work together. And Diaz, Marat, Khairjan, please work together. Now, thank you. Now let's have a discussion. This is a group work. Now, dear students, if we have discussed, yes, that like what changes we will have at schools after 50 years, in these 50 years. So, and we have spoken about the impact of technologies in these 50 years. So we're going to do our listening. Our listening is connected with schools and schools of the future. So complete Jack's notes about the schools in future. So you're going to listen to the tape, then you're going to have some to take some notes. Okay. Listen carefully. I'm going to launch the tape. Okay.
Today I'm going to talk about schools in 50 years' time. Let's start with school buildings. These probably...
Okay, thank you, dear students. Have you filled these gaps? Okay, so Diaz, please tell me the answer. Okay, so Khairjan, please tell me the answer. Please, Arujan, tell me the answer. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Now we're going to listen to the second time, dear students. Then you're going to match. Your task is to do exercise number 4. Match each change. Look at the notes again. Match each change to 2 advantages, okay? Then listen again and check it. So,
years' time. Let's start with school buildings. These probably won't exist in 50 years' time because more students will study from home.
Okay, thank you, dear students. Have you matched the notes? Okay, so let's discuss it. Yes, students will get, better advice on their learning task. Our next task is to listen to the exercise number 7. But before, let's look to 2 words, utopia and dystopia. So utopia is, what is utopia? So please, Arjan, please read it. And it is an imaginary place or state in which everything is perfect. Okay, that's good. Now, what is dystopia? Now, Mulder, what is dystopia? Dystopia is an imaginary place or state in which everything is extremely bad. So you have to listen carefully and then to decide, is this school in a utopia or dystopia, okay? So please listen to the exercise number 5.6, then speak it, okay? Students, so we have listened to the audio. Now, tell me please, is this school in dystopia or in utopia? Okay, so now please discuss in pairs. You have to be divided into groups. Let's divide into groups again. So, okay, you 3 work together. The students, you 3 work together. You 3 work together. Now, please tell me, these students, you have to discuss in groups which of these 2 schools in exercise 2 or in exercise 7 are more likely to be in the future. And why? Can you give me examples and why? You have to give reasons, okay? Please discuss it. Now we're going to do an individual work. You're going to imagine that you can time travel to the future and visit these schools. So you have to write an email to your friend describing the school that you have visited. And okay, like in this one, hi Alex, I visited school in the future today. You won't believe what it is like. But you have to write your email in Padlet, okay? Remember, you're always working in Padlet, okay? So all the students write your emails in Padlet. You will be given about 10 minutes. Okay. Now, we have all finished our email. Now, dear students, let's choose the best email. Yes, let's try to choose the best email. Okay. Now, we have chosen the best email. It's Diaz email. Thank you, Diaz. So it was the best one. And who is the next?